Hey y'all, Colin Keenan here in Cambridge, Massachusetts, where we've just wrapped up Reality Hack 2024, my fourth time here at Reality Hack. Thanks so much to all the folks at MIT and at all the sponsors who make this happen. It's really one of the highlights of my year. Every year, this was my first time in the hardware hack track. Got to get hands-on with some microelectronics, including an ESP32 board. We built a fully wireless ergonomic controller for VR environments, both for folks who are in the VR headset, as well as those who are accompanying them through exhibits or experiences. It has a lot of use cases for teachers, for accessibility space, for exhibitors and makers, as well as gamers. So we have a short trailer here. I'm really excited for y'all to see all of our hard work.
The Wedge, it's light, but it's strong. The Wedge, you can't use it wrong. The Wedge, no wires for you.
The Wedge is an ergonomic and versatile input and output companion for standalone XR headsets, such as Meta Quest. Standalone XR headsets present the frontier of accessible, affordable, and approachable virtual reality. Featuring a set of tactile input buttons and indicator LEDs, the Wedge allows seamless connection between users in virtual environments and the outside world. The Wedge is an intuitive and powerful tool for XR practitioners, inviting new interactions ranging from the intuitive to the experimental. The Wedge allows 100% wireless and bilateral communication with any Android XR executable. The Wedge's ergonomic, lightweight, triangular shape is perfect for desktops, floors, shelves, laps, or even to be carried with a user through a mixed reality experience. Remember, in VR, nothing connects you like the Wedge.
You're a teacher, and you got students in VR. You're a gamer, and you want to shift a car. They're in a headset and they don't know what to do. Use the Wedge. Yeah, the Wedge is for you. The Wedge is for you. The Wedge is for you. It connects with Bluetooth, but we need the buttons to you. You know what to do. You know what to do. It connects to you. The Wedge connects both of you.